In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find your TERRA2 wallet address on crypto.com. So the first thing you need to do is open up crypto.com on your smartphone. Then from here, you need to go down to accounts, you need to go into crypto wallet, and then you need to click transfer. And then you have two opportunities, either deposit or withdrawal, and you need to click deposit. Then from here, you need to find your crypto that you want to deposit. And in this example, I'm going to be using TERRA2 or Luna2. So click on that. Then from here, you need to select the network that your wallet is in. And there's only TERRA2 right here. And as you can see, an important note, remember to add the memo too, or your deposit will be lost. And as you can see in the second column here, this is my personal wallet address for the Luna2. And in the third column is the memo. And as you can see down in estimated arrival time, it's about 30 seconds. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!